Pwede po ba yan sa 16 years old? Yan po ang tanong ng ating viewer na si Chantel_184. To answer your question, estrolibrium hormonal supplement is not recommended for 16 years old unless advised and supervised by your doctor. Kasi po, during your teenage years, like 13 years old until 18, dyan pa lang po nagsastart mag-balance yung mga hormones sa katawan natin. Kaya hindi pa po recommended na mag-take po kayo ng mga supplements katulad nito. If ever naman po na recommended or prescribed siya ng doctor, wala naman pong magiging problema. Pero for matured adults like us, for example, mga around 30 to 40 years old na katulad ko, highly recommended na po na mag-take tayo ng estrogen supplement kasi unti-unti na po nawawala ang ating mga female hormones, approaching na po kasi tayo sa menopausal stage. This one can really help us to balance our hormones, yung estrogen natin. At the same time, it has a lots of benefit like for example sa bones, sa skin, at the same time nakakalaki din to ng ating bubelya. This is the perfect supplement talaga mga ate for you if you are experiencing hormonal imbalance, body fatigue, mabilis kang mairita, mabilis kang mapagod just because bumababa na po ang estrogen or female hormones natin sa body. So you have to consult pa rin your doctor before taking this supplement. So if you want to check it out, click mo lang yung yellow basket below. Yun lang mga ate. Bye-bye!